Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox emojis. To begin, open your chat window by pressing the / key on your keyboard. Once the chat is open, you can type a colon followed by the name of a basic emoji. For example, typing a colon and then D will display a happy face. Similarly, a colon and P will show a tongue sticking out. This is the simplest way to express yourself quickly in-game. Beyond simple chat emojis, Roblox offers a wide range of emotes, which are animated actions for your avatar. You can access these by clicking the emote icon in the chat or by typing a /, then E, and then the emote's name. While many basic emotes like wave or point are available for free, more elaborate ones can be acquired using Robux. These animations add a dynamic layer to your in-game communication. To truly expand your expressive capabilities, explore the avatar shop for a vast selection of emotes. Here, you can browse through various categories and filter by price or popularity to find the perfect animations for your avatar. Always preview an emote before making a purchase to ensure it fits your style. These premium emotes, often costing between 50 and several hundred Robux, offer unique ways to interact and stand out in any experience. To make the most of your Roblox emojis and emotes, remember a few key tips. Familiarize yourself with common chat shortcuts like a colon and a closing parenthesis for a simple smile. Practice new emotes in a private server to master their timing and impact. Combining emotes with your chat messages can create a much richer and more engaging conversation. Also, keep an eye out for special events or updates that might introduce new free emotes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.